So I just want to tell you guys about the job I just did. If you guys remember the video I put out a couple weeks ago about talking to your competition, I just got this job from that particular gentleman that I met a few weeks ago at a job site, and apparently he just fell off the ladder and broke his wrist and bruised his side up. So before that happened, he power washed this bank and he needed to come back and do the windows, and then he couldn't do that because of that. So he called me and said, "Hey Ray, you know, I have this job, do you want to come out and do it?" So I was like, "Yeah, I'll help you out." And I wasn't expecting to make that much, it's just kind of a favor. And $200 for an hour's worth of work is not bad. So it pays to talk to your competitors. You never know. You know, sometimes talking to your competition pays off. And if I can return the favor back to him, I will. In fact, I'm trying a new soft wash chemical this coming week, and we were talking about it, and he said, "Let me know how it works." And so, you know, you learn from each other and you grow. Anyways, I gotta go, it's starting to rain.